So after coding, I can close that transcript. We are going to have, remember these codes are in the code section, okay? So we are going to have our codes, right? Now, we can look at a relationship between the codes and the codes that have shared meaning, okay? The codes that have shared meaning are going to have or are going to be under a single theme. For example, conflict with spouse, illness during pregnancy, so inability to provide for other children, job-related obligations, joblessness, lack of stable source of income, lack of sufficient financial support from spouse, poor relationship with neighbors. So for example, if we look, we can see what we could call financial challenges as a theme. That one will be as a theme. So I just right click, go to new code and create a new code. But this code will be a theme. Why? Because we are going to drag and drop some codes under these financial challenges to make it a theme. So financial challenges will be a theme that have different codes. For example, lack of a stable source of income, okay, joblessness, we drag and drop it, inability to provide for other children, job related, lack of sufficient financial support from spouse. So all these codes can contribute to financial challenges, which again contribute to stress among pregnant mothers. So we drag and drop all those codes under financial challenges. Again, we come down here and press aggregate coding. If you right click, you're going to right click on our code and then aggregate from children. It's going to aggregate all the codes under the theme financial challenge. So this is how we form themes in NVivo.